First this evening, a fire station without a functioning phone. That's the situation at the Spanish Town Fire Station. It was brought to light after a fire on Brunswick Avenue in the Old Capital early this morning. Janella Precious has details.
A furniture shop, 2 barber shops, a snack shop, and a machine shop, all gone up in smoke. This is Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Before Saturday, these businesses were slowly returning to normalcy as many of the operators had been struggling due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But now they've been dealt with an even greater blow after an early morning fire Saturday.
I lose 5 TV, 2 sound, and some little snack and $140,000 in my shop.
Everything lost. 6 machine, about 20 pieces of portable tool, the building gone, everything gone. People work, we finish, raw material, everything gone, everything.
So have your rough estimate about how much damage?
About $4 to $5 million worth of damage.
It's understood the fire raged for over an hour as calls to the Spanish Town Fire Station were futile.
We have a burning issue, I want to send out to the government. How comes we have a fire station in a St. Catherine, in a Spanish Town capital, without a phone? You know, so last night when the fireman them come here late, we call them, and when we call them, they come here an hour and a half. When the time when the fire done burn down the place. You know what the fireman tell me, he said, they do have a phone service down there. Them don't get no call. And you know the next thing they tell me, we should have jumped in our car and come down a Spanish Town, come call fireman. You ever hear anything go so?
A woman tell me on the phone, say, if I come down there with vehicle, when I come with vehicle for, I run water truck.
The Spanish Town Fire Station is about 7 minutes away from the area, but...
Yeah, Lindsay will call. And like Lindsay get in contact with them. Because the people them get mad for mash up the truck. And I say, no, I could hear her go on first. And when me ask the fireman, him say, is that the problem? And do have a phone service.
And so we called the number.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that is no longer in service.
When we contacted Acting Assistant Commissioner in charge of the Fire Prevention Division, Emilio Ebanks, he promised to make some checks and get back to us. Up to news time, he hadn't called. In the meantime, the business operators are contemplating their next move, as combined they've suffered millions in losses. The source of the fire is being investigated. Janella Precious, TVJ News.